Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to disable smart lock on Facebook Messenger. So if you're like me using iPhone, unfortunately for now, this feature is not available on our iPhone, but it is available on Android. And the way to do it is by going ahead and opening up your own settings on your Android phone or tablet. And next step, you're gonna go ahead to the Android settings and find and select security, and then scroll a little bit down and tab advanced, and then select trust agents, and then toggle off the smart lock, aka Google or Google, right? And from there, you're gonna be able to see right here. If we went right here to, let me just demonstrate how you can, how to disable smart lock, right, on Messenger. Okay, and after you type it, what you're gonna do, you're gonna see right here, open your device settings and then select security and location, and then tap smart lock, and then enter your device's PIN or pattern or even password, and then turn off the on-body detection and trusted places, trusted devices, or voice. All right, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.